Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Throne and Laboratory game audio problems or the sound problems or the crackling sound issues. Guys, first step is to simple restart your PC. Sometimes simple restart fix the problem, so you can just try the fix. Now the second solution is troubleshoot sound. So go to the Windows set, type here the troubleshoot settings and open it. Now you will see the additional troubleshooters, just click on that, and here you will see playing audio, just click on that, then just click on the run the troubleshooter. Now it start detecting the issues in your sound or audio, and if there is any kind of problem with your sound or audio, now this built-in function give you the option to fix it. Now simply click on the resolve, then check your problem is fixed or not. Sometimes this can fix the issue. Now the third solution is check sound output devices. So go to the Windows set, type here the sound settings and open it. Now here just need to make sure that your correct output device is selected, which is the speakers or any other, just select it, and make sure that the master volume is above the 60%. So make sure it is above the 60%, then make sure that your correct input device is also selected. Then launch the game and then check your problem is fixed or not. Now if your problem is not fixed, the fourth solution is update audio drivers. Outdated or corrupted audio drivers can cause the issue. So go to the Windows set, type with the device manager and open it. Now here you will see the audio input. Open it, you will see your speakers. Right click on it, click on the update drivers, click on the search, and if there is any kind of available update, then just update it. Then launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. If not, then right click on it again, click on the disable device, then just click on the yes. Now right click on it again and you will see enable device. By disabling or enabling, sometimes fix the problem, then launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. Now if your problem is still not fixed, the fifth solution is check in-game audio settings. Open the game setting and ensure the audio is not muted or set to low. Reset audio setting to default or increase the master volume, then check. Now the next solution is change audio format or disable audio enhancement. So go to the Windows set, type with the control panel and open it. Now here you will see hardware and sound. Click on that, click on the sounds. Now here you will see your speakers or your any kind of other device. So click on that, right click on that, click on the properties. Now here make sure that it is enabled. If this is disabled, then just enable it, then just go to the enhancement, then just uncheck this box of disable all enhancements, then go to the advanced, then just select here the 16-bit CD quality, then check, then click on apply, then launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. If not, then just select the 16-bit DVD quality, then click on apply, then launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. Now if your problem is not fixed after this solution, the next solution that you need to apply to fix this problem is verify game files. If you are playing through Steam, verify the integrity of game files. Right click on the game, go to its properties, then just go to the install file, then just click on the verify integrity of game files, then launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. Now the next solution is close background apps. Some background apps may interface with the audio. Close any unnecessary application, especially those related to the audio. Discord streaming software. Turn off Discord overlay. This is very important to turn off the Discord overlay, then launch the game, then check, and also turn off the overlays of Steam or other software. Now the next solution is update Windows. So go to the Windows search and just type here the Windows update and open it. Now if there is any kind of available update, then just update it, then launch the game, then check your problem is fixed or not. Now if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution is check for game updates. Ensure the game itself is up to date, as patches may fix audio related bugs, then check. And I hope guys one of the solution fixes your problem, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video and please consider liking, and bye bye and take care.